Hey everybody, my name is Nick and today I would like to tell you about how to recover Lemon8 account. So, how to do it? Well, as you can see, now I'm in Lemon8 and all you need to do is just go to the profile tab and of course, firstly you need to log out of your account if you are suddenly in it now. And for example, I want to recover my another Lemon8 account. So all you need to do is just click on the question mark icon at the top left. Okay, and here click on recover Lemon8 account. Now you'll be taken to the to your browser. Here you can see 5 buttons. If you, for example, previously registered with any of these social media accounts, try just logging in with it. For example, with your Google account. Just try it, click on it, but account doesn't exist in my case. Or you can use your phone or another email address. Just try to use all these ways. But if that doesn't help, when the last thing you have to do is contact the application support and describe your case in detail. So I think they will help you. You can just go back and click on Help Center and just type here about your problem. Well, this is how you can recover your Lemon8 account. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.